Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is SewingforHobby and today I'm going to be making a pair of earrings. Thank you so much for joining me and thank you for following me thus far and thank you for subscribing and I appreciate you guys start liking these videos so we can see what else type of stuff we can come up with. So new ideas or same old ideas in different formats. But anyway, this is going to be an earring. I found this one off of Pinterest. And what you need is a ceramic daisy bead. But she did hers in blue. I did mine in silver. So it's very close. But today we're going to make the exact same copy. So this is what we're making. I'll let you guys see it up close. These are silver hyperallergenic earrings with a jump ring and an eye pin. You can use whatever you can float your boat. You'll need some scissors, some bent nose, flat nose, and maybe this bent nose. We'll set that aside. I'm going to open up these beads. Try not to open up all of them. There we go, set that aside. We'll need 2 for each pairs. That's what it looks like. I'm going to make gold, so we need an eye pin. And I'm hiding an invisible one, if you can see it. Yep. So what we're going to do, we're going to take this 6mm size bead. Find the hole. And slide it on. That's what it looks like. Find that hole. There we go. Having a little bit of trouble finding this hole. Sometimes blue is hard to see. There it goes. Finally. And that took me 1 minute and 54 seconds. Anyway, that's what it looks like. And what we need is a memory loop wire to make a hole. One of these tools. Squeeze it. Should have something like that. Now before you close, take our air hook. Slide it in. that doesn't work, take your other bent nose. Oops. All the mistakes included. What we have to do is just close that little hole without I don't know why I'm having such trouble tonight, but bear with me. If all else fails, this is real life. That's why if you're not used to doing something, it can be a really bad problem. And it is kind of breathtaking to see if I can do it right. And if I did a good job, give me a good thumbs up. We did it. We finally got it on. Let's see. That's what it looks like. There she is. 6mm. This is a 9 or 10mm. Small, large, small. And your air hook. What you need is your bent nose or your other bent nose. This is probably the better choice. There you have it. And this completes this tutorial. So hopefully, you guys like this video. Give me a good thumbs up if I did a good job. And yeah, this is the pattern I followed online somewhere. And if you want to make this one, or if you want to support me by going to eBay, it'll be up in my store this Christmas time. And yeah, and if you want to make it small, large, small, and an eye pin and your air hook. That's what you need to do for making this project. So, and there you have it. For a matching pair, you have these two in a different color. It takes a long time to make it, so it took me about maybe 7 minutes to make this pair, because I struggled through with the closing the air hook or the hole on top. I have having difficulty doing it on camera because it's something I'm not accustomed to do my crafts on camera. But I thought, this might be a fun project for us to do together, and to see what these, beads look like. These are handmade, made by my hands. But the pattern's not mine, so I just follow the pattern online. And hope you guys enjoy. And, if you want to make one, stick to the end of the video, and you'll learn how to make these earrings. Or if not, if you want to support me by going to my eBay page and just clicking in the description box down below, you can, click the links. I'll be posting them in the description box. And that's how you can find me on my eBay page. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye, everybody. And there you have it. 2 pairs of earrings. We had to do the other one off camera, but it'll be alright. And there it is.